Hi everyone, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Today is Sunday, March the 22nd, and I hope everyone's doing well today. Listen, I'm just coming on to show these couple concepts that I've been working on. Still working on Mother's Day. So just wanted to come on and share it with you. So here's one of them. This one is a charger plate. And I have here the mask. I also have in here, I have one of these, but it's the purple or lavender color one. Put that in there. I have my Bodycology and it also the screen, I can't see that. Oh, Screen Theory, lotion, bath. I have the hand sanitizer. And of course, I have in here one of the teddy bears that I got after Valentine's Day. I'm trying to get rid of these because it have the 2026 on it. So I only got a few of those that has the year on it because I didn't want to get stuck with them later on. So yeah, but that is this concept, y'all. So I this is a box that I wrapped and yeah, have a couple bath bombs in there. And I think this turned out pretty well. Turn it around. Yeah. And I think I'm going to shrink wrap this one. And now I have another here. So this one here is mostly Yardley Spa products. And here I have a candle, flowers. I have Happy Mother's Day. Let's see how what I did. I just taped it all together. Yeah. So put that back in here and I'll fix that back later. I have the Yardley lotion, the Yardley soap. I have the Yardley Epsom salt. I also have in here one of the bath glove. And what I did was I just put the tag in there. I also have some chocolate. I'm gonna have to fix that. Can't see the chocolate, but there's some chocolate in there. And have a little smell good, little cologne. This here is a ritual bath. It's I don't remember where I got this from, but I thought this would be nice to add to the concept. And also I have back here an eye mask. So that is this concept. Instead of using thread, I decided to just go ahead with the tule. So I used that to decorate um, the basket, and that's on the outside as well as on the inside. And put my little butterfly right there. So yeah, so let me see if I can hold this up for you to see better. That is this one, y'all. Okay. I don't know what kind of angle you're getting on this, but this is this one, what I came up with. Okay, I have another one here. Just bear. So this one is a container that I bought from Target right around Valentine's Day, and I never used it. It's a stackable container. So I wanted to make use of these. So this is one of the concepts that I came up with for it. I'm using the top, which would normally go on there like that. I'm using that as a backer. And I put a little box down there that I covered with wrapping paper. I have in here one of those little cosmetic bags. I had this for a while now. And I just went ahead and put in there the loofah and a hand sanitizer in there. And I got this little squishy from, I think it was Walgreens right after Valentine's Day. I thought that would be nice in there. Of course, I have a tumbler here. I also have the Dove body wash and the Bodycology lotion. So, and a couple roses. So that is what this one looks like. So, thinking I have another one like this. I'm going to go ahead and show that one. But while I'm grabbing the other one to show, I just want to thank everyone for your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'd find something that you like, see something that you like, and that you'll go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're visiting again and you're one of my subscribers, thank you for continuing to support your girl. I appreciate you. I hope you like something that you see here. Go ahead and leave a comment and give me a little thumbs up. I appreciate it. Okay, now this one here. This is another basket that I've had for a while. And I thought I'd use this teddy bear here. I went ahead and put that in here. I'm just sitting it up. What I did, I'm thinking about using this as a backup. I might go ahead and cover it. I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to use that as a backup. I have the cup in there. Can you see that? That gold cup right there. I have the Dove body wash. I have some chocolate. And I have the Bodycology Smell Good. So that's all that's going in here. I oh, and I have the loofah, white loofah right there. So yeah, so that's all that's going into this one. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up and call that a day. I have two more. One actually just one more. So this is the stackable container that I got from Target, like this one here. And this is a different concept that I did in this one. So what I did was I have in here a Bath and Body Works lotion and the Bath and Body Works body wash. And I decided to make this a flat concept at the bottom. So let me bring it closer so that you can see. Yeah, it's a flat concept at the bottom there. And I have a pair of socks in there. But I think I'm going to switch that socks out because I want it to be something pink. So yeah, so I'm going to switch that socks out. But, well, I may not because I already put the bow on it. So yeah, so it is what it is in there. So yeah, that one I put here. I used a piece of ribbon to cover to decorate the container. This ribbon here, and I put on there I hot glue a little brooch, that one. And then I decided that I'll use my teddy bear at the top along with the Mother's Day cup. So yeah, so that is this one, y'all. So I like the way this turned out. It turned out better than I thought it would. Let's see if trying to adjust the lighting on this. That's too light. But yeah, it turned out better than I thought it would. I like this one better than I do that one there. So y'all tell me what you think. These are some of the concepts that I've been working on. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the other ones up and then get started on a few more. I'm trying to crank these out for Mother's Day. So once again, I hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend. I did spend time at the track field yesterday with my grandkids. One of them, uh, he's into track now, so I went and spent some time with him. So y'all enjoy your weekend, and until the next video, God bless and see you.